Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FB, Facebook. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Facebook long in my retirement accounts, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis here. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then by the closing bell, the price worked its way all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice move. But does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? The 214 mark. Now, why is 214 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 214. If the price were to come down here and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 214. Now, what about areas of resistance moving into Tuesday and then for the foreseeable future? And in regards to this, nothing fancy or complicated at all. It's all about the purple line right here, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued right around 226.75. So give or take, right around there is going to be that next key battleground to watch moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at things, very, very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.